Welcome to my new place. Ang daldalas kami na lang. Yan, tumalapit na kami sa night cream ice cream sa mga mall. Ayan po tayo. Kita nyo, dito ako sa aking terrace. At meron din naman ako dyan. Isara muna natin ito at malamig. Yeah, we're just cleaning up. Naglilinis pa kami. Ano yung sopa? Yan, knock-out na si Mother. Ayun, knock-out. Dito kami sa living room. Yung curtain. Yan, kita mo naman yung view. Yung view doon. Sa mountain view, overlook. Tignan natin yung room ni Mother. Hindi pa naayos ang lahat. Ayun pa tayo. Makikita yung view. Ayun yung sakyan ko. Kwarto ni Mother to. Hindi pa bukas pa i-deliver yung mga bed. Naglalaba ako. I'm doing my laundry here. Yeah, sa aking unit. Of course, townhouse. Ito yung isang bathroom. Maglilinis pa kami. That's my son. And this is the master bedroom, which is my room. Nakikita ka naman yung doon, mountain view. At may mga halaman akong dito on my window side. And this is the townhouses. Naglilinis pa kami. Cleaning up. Let's go to my closet na wala pang hanger. This is my walk-in closet. Marami pa. Wala. Nag-aayos pa kami. Yup. Yeah. Wala pa. Hindi pa We just moved today. About 1 p.m. Only a couple hours. O yan. This is the room, my master bedroom. Naglilinis pa tayo, mga kaibigan. Nag-vacuum kami. It's clean. Dalawa yung table dyan. Pwede tayo dyan sa minibar. Pero hindi pa ayos. Ayusin pa natin. Okay, I just gonna start cleaning up again. And we all set yung mga ilaw ko. There you go. I'll like set up. Marami pang kalat. Hindi pa na-install ang lahat-lahat. Turn off. Great. In the living room watching. Okay. Let's see, guys. So hopefully 1 more week and then nakasettle na kami. Alright.